Assalamualaikum to Dr. Siti Afrika and fellow members. The purpose of this virtual meeting is to present our research methodology group assignment. We are from Group 10 and we have 6 members. The title of our research performance study industry against the performance of e-logistics in Pakistan, a quantitative approach. So my name is Nurul Adiba binti Muhammad Kamaruzan and my metric number is 8208146. So I will start the presentation by explaining the chapter 1. For background of this research is, as we know, logistic industry is one of the important industry in the economic countries. So e-commerce concept in Pakistan still receive a less attention along with the variety of issue in the logistic industry. The quality of staff service is one of the important aspect to the develop the performance of logistic based on the Wasim Ul Hamid and at all. They have a state that ICT is able to strengthen logistic service and company product, and also it allow new form of partnership between the various supplier and the user. Other than that, we also realize the importance of e-traceability to the performance of e-logistic industry. Lastly, Liu and et al. Have shown that the quality of information requires a positive impact on the organizational performance. Next. This is our problem statement. The instability of the e-commerce market and the e-logistic industry in Pakistan is experienced a situation that different problems. The logistics sector in Pakistan at the moment, which e-logistics especially, has faced many problems in terms of its staff service, quality of information, value chain party, and electronic traceability of product ordered by customer. Therefore, by relating the firm logistic performance as our main dependent variable, we really want to identify the factor that affect the service of e-commerce industry against the performance of e-logistics in Pakistan. Next. So this is our research objective. To conduct this study, there are 5 in total of research objective that we get. Yeah. Now I will pass it to the next member to talk about the further chapter.
Adiba, hello, my name is Pushpa Abdurrahman and I will continue this review. The researcher discussed 2 variables which are independent variables and dependent variables. The dependent variables is firm logistic performance, whereas the independent variables are value chain partner, information quality, sub-service quality, e-traceability, and e-payment. The independent variables are influenced the dependent variables. For the DV firm e-logistic performance, e-logistic is application of information technology and tools in logistics can all be used to link the performance of e-logistics. For first, IV is staff service quality. Quality of detail prepared by staff, a good system and pleasure has domination on e-commerce issues. Therefore, customer satisfaction is one of symbol of good e-logistic performance which can carry out direct quality self-service. For the second IV, I will pass for the Adiba.
Thank you, Putri. The second IV is the information quality with the firm e-logistic performance. So the quality of information has a positive effect on the organizational performance in the dominance of e-logistic performance. So next, I will pass to the next presenter, Nabiha.
Thank you, Adiba. Hi, my name is Nura Nabiha Binti alias my metric number is A2081878. The third IV is a value chain partner. A supply chain can be defined as a process inside the company that is directly tied to the movement, information, money, service and product from a specific source to the client. Next, I will pass to Diana for the next IV.
Thank you, Nabiha. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Dayana, number matric A20A1857. The fourth IV is e-traceability, information in and communication technology, ICT, with e-logistic performance. Okay, the idea of traceability is seen as a capability that use one aspect in the product tracking group and reflect the complete history, production chain, sale distribution, and storage processing. In addition, the Internet serves as the main source of traceability in future e-logistics. Thus, improved ICT is required to track e-logistic items. Additionally, the data urges that traceability and supply chain management idea require process characterization, data capture, storage, integration, and communication. Next, I will pass to Ijazati Huda.
Thank you, Diana. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Ijazati Huda binti Aziza, matric number 8281868. Okay, the last independent variable is e-payment. So for the relationship between e-payment and information and communication technology, we form e-logistic performance. Okay, according to Kim et al. 2010, e-payment system are the basis for the e-commerce and e-logistics. Therefore, to function successfully and efficiently, both are required. The ICT. So e-payment plays an important role in improving the efficiency of e-logistics. And ICT is important to create a better e-payment system. Hence, information and communication technology is the basic mechanism to improve e-logistic performance. So for hypothesis development, I will pass back to Putri to go into details of it.
Thank you, Izzati. Based on chapter 2, there are several hypotheses. First, there is relationship between staff service quality and firm e-logistic performance. Second, information quality significant effect the firm e-logistic performance. Third is significant effect of value chain partner on the firm e-logistic performance. Next, information and communication ICT mediate the relationship between the e-traceability and firm e-logistic performance. 5. E-traceability has substantial impact on company e-logistic performance. 6. Information and communication technology mediate the relationship between e-payment and firm e-logistic performance. Lastly, there are significant relationship between e-payment and ICT. For the next chapter, I will hand over to the next member.
Thank you, Putri. I will carry on this presentation to chapter 3. The research methodology includes 6 components such as research design, method, data sources, questionnaire, sampling process, and analysis plan. So first, research design. Okay, the framework of the researchers chosen study methods and produce is known as the research design. The sort of data that will be collected for this study is primary data according to the researchers. Next, methods. The method produced or technique used in the gathering of data or evidence for analysis in order to expose new knowledge of develop better grasp of a topic are known as research method. Next, data sources. The researchers use quantitative method to collect numeric data that may be measured, ranked, or otherwise classified using statistical analysis. Generalizing and identifying pattern or relationship are made easier with it help. For the remaining component, I will pass them on to the next member.
Thank you, Diana. I will continue with the questionnaire. The author also used a survey questionnaire. Based on this study, a total of respondents is 174 have given feedback on this study. Respondents are those who participate in a survey or interview for the researcher or who contribute information to be used in the research study. Next is sampling process. The author used quantitative method because considering the nature of the study based on analysis. Every individual within the population has a possibility of getting choose when sampling using probability. Probability sampling technique are the best option if you want to generate findings that are representative of the entire population. Next is about analysis plan. Analysis plan is divided into 3, which is descriptive statistic, reliability test, and Pearson correlation. Next, I will pass it to the last member to talk about the final chapter.
Thank you, Nabia. Now I will go on with chapter 4, which is contribution on knowledge. Okay. Through the literature that we have done, its findings contribute to process improvement by identifying the relevance of ICT to e-logistics in order to improve the quality of services provided by organization. Furthermore, the study discovered that value change partner important factors in improving e-logistics performance in Pakistan. This is because their stakeholder play an important role in everything from managing human resource to mechanize to fulfilling orders. In addition, information sharing technologies may be used to improve electronic traceability systems, so customer can track things over the internet using a good traceability system. Thus, a firm must recognize the value of information technology and good e-logistic communications. Okay, last but not least for this presentation is conclusion. It is observed that e-logistics is one of the vital elements for the growth of the economy. It is most significant for the economy of Pakistan. ICT is behaving like a bridge between e-payment, e-traceability, and firms e-logistics. That's all from us. Thank you for attending our presentations. Thank you.